our patient Tom. Tom is here for a 1-year follow-up after his MaxHarvest procedure. He had pretty much had nothing there, and when he saw his before photos, he almost fell over. So what do you think about the procedure, my man?
It's unbelievable. I mean, the transformation has been night and day. It took about 4 to 6 months for start seeing stuff, and after that it was just like off to the races, and just full coverage, great hairline. The staff here and everybody has just been phenomenal, and the results speak for themselves.
Well,
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate
it. It makes you feel so good, man. I love it. When I saw you, I was so happy for you. And not to be corny, but has it changed your life in any way as far as like activities or social stuff?
For sure. I was wearing a hat 24/7.
Okay.
I don't wear a hat anymore.
So
totally
yeah, changed.
It totally changed. I mean,
That's
awesome.
awesome.
I feel like how I felt back in high school. It's just, you know, you got that energy, vitality, you're excited to go out, you're excited to get dressed up and go do something, and to not have to cover up with a hat everywhere I go. Or be worried about going out at night where you can't wear a hat. You know,
That's awesome.
that made a difference.
Plus, you have a young child
That's
and a young wife.
Yeah.
So now you got to fit the part.
Now I fit the part. Yeah, that was part of the deal. Is my wife said to me, she goes, well, you're getting ready to have a baby. Do you want to be the old dad or do you want to be the young dad? So I went for the young dad, and 100% we're there.
No exaggeration, took 10 plus years off the look.
Yeah.
So super awesome. Let me show the camera off how what we did here.
Yeah.
So we did a MaxHarvest. I believe we did a plus on you, didn't we? Where we went through and completely reframed the frontal hairline with all the tiny little 1-hair grafts all the way around. We built into the existing hair to connect it to make sure it doesn't open up between the grafts and the hair.
And no scar. It's non-existent. The scar does not exist. It's like it never happened.
And then tuck your chin down a little bit like this. So you can see here we just loaded them up. Look at all this. That's just crazy hair, man, for one procedure. Let me show off this other side here. Other side over here, completely reframed. All the tiny little grafts are on the front, so it's super soft and natural. We did the suture line up a little bit higher because we wanted to taper underneath here. He cuts his hair with like a 2-guard.
Mm-hmm.
In his suture line, let's see if I know this is it right here.
You're right on it.
That's there. It's like there, through there. Let me spin that around. It's unbelievable. It literally is like you can't even see this thing. I mean, if you don't know, literally, I mean, you could probably shave your head and you wouldn't even see this. I'm not even joking. Look, where is it? I know, is it? Hold on, let me go back. Well, this is it.
You're right on it, yeah.
It has to go through here, so it's got to be this. It's got to be this. That's got to be it right there. That's unbelievable. Look at it. Yep, that's it. So that was the line all the way through there. Yep. It's as good as it gets, man.
Yeah.
I kid you not, as good as it gets. Wow.
Yeah, that suture line's
Amazing.
incredible.
That's a home run, buddy. That's
you did it, bro. You did it.
my best work.
The work, bro, all the way.
I'm super happy for you.
Yeah, it came out
Super
great.
happy for you. So what do you say to the guy sitting at home on the fence thinking about doing this?
Man, don't hold off any longer. This will change your life. It is altering, and 6 months from now, you will not look back, not for a second. It's everything you could think and 10 times more. So go for it.
Thanks so much for the video.
Yeah, for sure, 100%.
Congratulations.
See ya.